This video will show you how to install a shutter on a corner window with no wall in between. This would be the same for a bay window. Your order will come packed with the frames in long boxes and the panels in flat boxes. So once you unbox your frame, you want to lay it on the floor. They'll be labeled top left, bottom right. Go ahead and put your Hoffman key in, which is a key that will line the corners up for you. Some frames will also come with a screw that goes in the corner of the frame. Screw that in to keep the frame tight. Repeat that for all sides as needed. Once you have the corners secured together, you'll go ahead and insert the corner or bay frame as shown with the pre-drilled holes and the screws provided. Line the hole up on the frame with the hole on the side frame. Insert the screw and secure. Repeat this for the bottom. Go ahead and repeat this process for the other half of your corner window. Next, you will connect the frames. This step may require 2 people. Once your frame is assembled, go ahead and place in front of the window and go get the panels. Once you have your panels in place, you're ready to install. It's best to have 2 people to complete this next step. Raise the frame into place. Once you get it located in position, you will tack a couple nails or screws in the middle where the frames are joined in the top frames. Then you can level both frames off of the center. Once your frame is level, you're ready to install the panels. Go ahead and grab your panels, insert into the frame, and then go ahead and insert the pins through the hinges to hold in place. Once the panels are mounted, go ahead and attach the bottom of the frame at the corner with a couple nails. Once the corner is tacked into place, go ahead and finish nailing or screwing the shutter off around the edge of the frame. Your frame has inserts, go ahead and insert and snap into place at this time. If the louvers need to be tightened up a little bit, go ahead and insert a screwdriver into both sides in the tension hole and give just a quarter turn at first to check to achieve the desired tension. And that's all there is to it. That's how you mount a corner shutter or a bay window shutter.